in this video, we're going to take a look at the 5 hottest cities in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. We're talking Frisco, Prosper, Plano, Southlake, and Keller. For those who've been watching my videos for quite a while, I want to give a quick market update about price and time on the market for the top 5 cities here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, because prices have changed. And while the market did peak May of 2022, it did come down, it bottomed out, and now it's kind of on the rise again. And I do have to preface, we don't 100% know not know at all what's gonna happen in the fall. That could be determined on, well, it has everything to do with inflation. If inflation comes down far enough, then we should also see interest rates come down. And what I feel like is there's pent-up demand, and that would make the housing market go back up. If inflation has not come down as much as the feds want, then I can see that they're going to raise interest rates again in the fall, which is going to slow down the market probably pretty significantly in the fall. So we shall see. Right now, we're currently seeing a pretty busy and healthy market here in Dallas-Fort Worth. In fact, some of the homes are still going into multiple offers, and that is dependent on if it's listed right, meaning the price, not at May 2022 prices, and how well it's listed by the agent, and location always makes a big difference, right? I'm seeing in the further you go into the country areas, those homes are sitting on the market a good legitimate 30 to 45 days versus the homes on the inner city areas or suburbs where it's a hot market. If it's on the market 45 days, it's because it's not listed properly. Real quick, let's talk about an overview of the entire Dallas-Fort Worth area. The median home price is $399,000 according to April stats. There were 16,442 listings in April, with an average day of 52 days on the market. Right now, there's only 2.1 months worth of inventory on the market, which isn't very long at all, but it's still better than this time last year. Let's start with Frisco, which is the hottest city in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. I call it the new and shiny city. It's beautiful. It has amazing shopping, dining, and entertainment options. The median home price here is now $675,000, with a median age home is 2010. There are some newer homes than that. That's pretty new actually. And an average square feet of 3,085. The average sold price per square foot is $246.10. Frisco is going to continue to grow as the Fields is being developed. If you can get in the Fields, good investment. This is going to be a massive development, a $10 billion, 2,500 acre mega project. The Fields is gonna have 14,000 homes and apartments with 250 acres for parks and 25 miles of trails. Also, mega shopping and dining options will be developed. Also, other exciting news is Universal Studios has announced plans to build a 97-acre family-centered theme park adjacent to the Fields project. Frisco is going to remain a top city for years. By the way, I'm Dana Pollard. I'm a real estate agent here in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, and I have a team that can help you find the perfect home for your family. If you're interested in moving to Texas, fill out the Dream Home Questionnaire in the link below, or give us a call or shoot us an email. We'd be so happy to hear from you. Up next, Prosper, Texas. Prosper is known for amazing master planned communities and great schools. But for shopping, it just has a little bit right now. There is a movie theater nearby, but for the amazing entertainment that you may be looking for, it's just a short drive to Frisco. The median home price in Prosper is $790,000, and that's more than Frisco. So what are you getting more in Prosper for the higher price tag? Well, probably just a larger lot, maybe a fancier master plan community, and the square footage is just a little bit bigger. at 3,416,000 square feet as the average. Oh, and the median age of a home is just 2017. Basically, it's a sea of new homes. The average sold price per square foot is $243.01. Let's talk about Plano. Now, Plano is an older city, but a popular one, probably for the proximity to Dallas and the plethora of jobs making a very short commute. So Plano, it's basically fully developed with mature landscaping for most homes. And only 5% of the land remains undeveloped. So there's no need to expand schools or widen city roads at this point. Plano has a median home price of $507,000 and the average home size is 2,583 square feet. The average age of a home in Plano is from 1990, so you may need to update a home if you purchase in Plano. The average sold price per square foot is $274.03. Moving west, we're gonna talk about Southlake. Southlake is one of my favorite cities in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex because I love the beautiful large treed lots. You have the #1 school district for test scores, and so it's a very popular place to live. It's laid back and has plenty of parks, wonderful shopping, and dining. And it is the smallest population of all these cities we're talking about. The median home price is $1,267,000, which is more pricey than the other cities. However, that has come down from the median home price of $1.4 million at the peak of the market in May 2022. Now, let me just tell you this though. The average size of a home in Southlake is 4,541 square feet. And the average age is 2001, which again, you may or may not have to update a home if you purchase it. But I like Southlake because if you buy a home that needs updating, you can put a little bit of money in it and it goes a long way on resale value. The average sold price per square foot is $347.67. Now, just west of Southlake, at border Southlake, is Keller, Texas, and this too is one of my favorite cities in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. It's great for families, for schools. It's a really good hometown community. Keller also has a variety of price points for first-time home buyers, as well as big, beautiful luxury homes. The median home price for Keller has gone up to $635,000. Now that is less than Southlake, but what I like about Keller is you can get a $635,000 home and then just drive right next door to all the amenities that Southlake has to offer. The average square feet is 3,019 and the average age is 1999. Average sold price per square foot is $236.64. Also, if you want to know more in-depth information about these cities, I've made videos on all of these cities, so go check out the rest of these videos. So which one is your favorite? Put it in the comments below. Also, if you want more information on a Dallas-Fort Worth city, put them in the comments and maybe I can make a video about it. And if you want to move to Texas, fill out the Dream Home questionnaire in the link below, or give us a call or send us an email. We would love to hear from you.